What's up guys? Are you ready for something different today? Ready? 1, 2, 3, let's go! It was so crazy guys. I'm so excited about these new tools. And how I did that? Insta360 and a mount from PGYTECH for action camera. They didn't recommend to use it with the Insta360, but I tried it because I think it's really much better than put it a GoPro, because you can change the angle with the GoPro, and here you have a 360 view, so you can see your drone from the top and all around your drone. But you need to fly in tripod mode guys, don't forget that, because if you're flying too fast your drone gonna lose GPS and you're gonna fly in ATT mode, because it's gonna go to the left or the right because of the weight of the camera. Be really careful with that, but if you use it in tripod mode, no problem at all. So I'm really excited about that, and I'm gonna put some video like this in all my vlogs now, because it's really crazy. The view that you have, it's so insane, it's so unique, so that's why I really love it. And it's just a simple attachment that you put on your drone, like on these videos. It's so easy, you just need to screw here your camera and then clip it on your drone, and it's insane. And you guys also probably see in the intro that I have some protection for my props here and here, and they are from PGYTECH too. It's the second thing that they sent to me, and I'm really happy with this one, because I was always scared with my drone in my backpack, because my backpack is really full of gear, as you know. And I was always scared for my props because I had nothing to protect them before, and here it's really easy to put it on and off. As you can see, it's like elastic, so you put it like that, like this, it's okay. And for the back, really easy too, just need to put your props in the middle, then you put this, and boom, it's fine. You're gonna be really more confident with your drone inside your backpack with those protections for your props. Before it was like this for my drone, and now I feel so much secure to put it on my backpack with those protections. Okay guys, that's it for today. You can find those two products in description below. Don't forget to leave me a comment if you have any questions. Thanks again PGYTECH for those products. I really love it, and I'm gonna use this Insta mount a lot for my drone trip, and also to protect my props. I'm gonna move always with the protections now, because so good. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell to receive the notification for my next video. I see you next Wednesday.